How to make an Oculus account. Hey everyone, this is Suzanne from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, download a MetaQuest application, which is Oculus app. Just launch it now. And over here you can see various options like continue with Facebook, continue with Instagram, continue with your email, and at the bottom you can also connect it to your organization. For now, I'm going to tap on connect with Facebook here. Just tap on continue. Wait for a while. Now just tap on create new account. Okay, tap on yes, continue. Now you have to enter your email and tap on next. Now check your details carefully and then tap on create account after you are sure of your details. Now enter your confirmation code from your email. Tap on next. Now again tap on next here. Now tap on sync profile info here. Okay, wait for a while. Now create a username, then tap on done. Okay, now you can add a picture or just tap on skip. Now tap on next again. Tap on next here. Now tap on continue as your username is mentioned. Now wait for a while until the page is loading. Now we have come to this page. Now you can either tap on share or don't share. Now you can either enable Bluetooth or just tap on not now. Okay, so now you have successfully created your Oculus account on this application. That was it for today, and I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.